Into an all-new generation, the 2022 Toyota Tundra might have been expected to be at the receiving end of criticism. However, the compact pickup truck has delivered quality performance ever since it was introduced. In its time on the market, the latest iteration of the truck has had just 21 complaints to its name. While the number does not seem concerning, Tundra's problems are a carryover from the previous generation. Here's a list of most recent problems of 2022 Toyota Tundra 3rd generation. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Airbag malfunction. A few Toyota Tundra Crewmax 2022 buyers claim the vehicle displayed an SRS airbag malfunction message. Although the error was fixed after the truck was restarted, there is still a chance that it will happen again. Reduced engine power. Owners of the Toyota Tundra have reported that the engine can suddenly lose power. As a result, the truck slows down, raising the possibility of a rear-end collision. The 2022 Tundra has reportedly experienced the dozens of separate occasions. Explosion of the sunroof. Customers of the Toyota Tundra Crewmax truck have reported the sunroof breaking into pieces without any impact or incidents. Unexpected explosion of the glass pane raises the possibility of injury. Improper functioning of the turn signals. The previous generation of the Toyota Tundra had a lot of turn signal issues that were frequently reported. Customers who purchased the small pickup truck have complained that the turn signals do not light up properly. As a result, there may be a greater chance of a collision if other drivers cannot see the lights. Pre-collision avoidance system failure. Complainants claim that the pre-collision avoidance system in the 2018 and 2019 model years either misidentified or failed to detect the threat of a collision. It raises the likelihood of an accident in either case. Incessant warning messages. The previous generation Toyota Tundra's warning lights have been reported to illuminate without any prior symptoms due to an underlying electric system issue. Recalls. The manufacturer has already requested a return for the 2022 Toyota Tundra. Although it places the truck in an idealistic position, buyers should be aware of the previous recalls that the company has started. The truck has undergone 13 recalls in the recent years, each of which addresses a different set of issues. Here's a list of all fresh Tundra recalls. The Toyota Tundra is a great choice solely in terms of comfort and functionality. It provides enough room for a family of 5 and is also economically viable, boasting towing and payload capacities that compete with those of the same class. The truck's trustworthiness, however, is what gives it its unity. It is extremely reliable due to its sturdy construction and extensive set of driver assistance features. Therefore, a new or used Tundra can be a great option if you're looking for a durable pickup truck.